In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot Plaid connection errors. If your users can't connect their bank accounts, the key is to quickly identify what kind of error you're seeing, apply the right fix, and confirm it using Plaid's tools. We'll walk through a simple flow you can follow every time so you can resolve issues faster and with less guesswork. Start by identifying the exact error. Look at the message or code returned by Plaid link or in your application logs. Capture what the user was doing, the institution they selected, and the environment you're using. Knowing whether the failure happened during login, MFA, token exchange, or a data fetch will point you to the right path. Next, map the error to a common category. First, institution-related errors. These occur when the bank's online site is experiencing issues or undergoing changes. The most reliable way to confirm is to check Plaid's status dashboard. If there's an incident affecting that institution, communicate the status to your users and retry later once the incident is resolved. Second, user authentication errors. These happen when login credentials are incorrect or multi-factor authentication fails or expires. The fix is to re-authenticate the user through the Plaid link flow in update mode so they can enter fresh credentials and complete MFA. Encourage users to use the exact credentials they use on the bank's site and to complete all prompts without closing the window. Third, API or app configuration errors. These show up when your integration setup or API call is invalid. A common example is invalid public token. The remedy is to verify you're using the correct client ID, secret, and the right environment, sandbox, development, or production, and that your client and server use the same environment end to end. Fourth, rate limiting and network issues. Errors like rate limit exceeded or timeouts indicate too many requests or unstable connectivity. Add exponential backoff and retries to your API logic and ensure your network requests are efficient and resilient. To speed up root cause analysis, use Plaid's developer tools. In the Plaid dashboard, check logs for the exact error code, request ID, and timestamps. Align these with your app logs to trace the flow, confirm what failed, and validate the fix in the same environment. Implement robust, user-friendly error handling. Show clear, actionable messages like, "We're having trouble connecting to your bank. Please try again later." When appropriate, offer a reconnect option or prompt users to verify their credentials. If you still can't resolve the issue, contact Plaid support. Gather the error code and message, request or item IDs, timestamps, the institution involved, the environment, and a short description of the user impact and steps to reproduce. Providing this context accelerates investigation and resolution. Follow this flow, and you'll turn Plaid connection errors into a quick, predictable fix.